Hey everyone, so I made it into Five Below. They're still putting up some Christmas. You get 4 pairs of socks for $5, 2 adult, 2 children. And there's like cozy socks over here. They're gonna be 2. If you're feeling the gnome, they have it. They have flamingo and a tree. Let's see, 12 days of socks. Okay, a little advent calendar. Those are kind of cool. Oh gosh, look, they have nutcracker leggings. How funny. Better not pout. Is there anything in the back? Oh no. Then like candy stripe. It looks like fa la la. And elf slippers. Okay, these are $5. You want to get really festive. 1 ceramic tree so far. They're going to be 4 and they will light up. And if you're feeling gnomes, again, these are $5. Oh, here's some wrapping paper. Wrapping paper are $2. Here's some LOL. Hello Kitty, which this one is cute. Look at the elf. Hi buddy. What does he say? What does he say the Narwhal to buddy? Hi buddy.
Oh, hi Mr. Narwhal.
Oh yeah. Snoopy.
Well, I like how Frosty was it from Rudolph was in there too? Was that which one it was? Frosty.
So these you could color. Get them to color their own present. They even have the Grinch. And Paw Patrol. And it looks like Charlie Brown. You could color too. The Child, of course. Is that The Office? Yeah. Plankton. He's so evil. Oh, don't forget your tape, you guys. I feel like I always forget tape. Tissue is $5. So, are they different prints though? Let me bring it down. Okay, these are not bad. I know the Dollar Tree, they just stick with, you know, one color. Christmas Story. Oh gosh, look at the dad and his leg. You have Ralphie, the turkey and the dog. That doesn't look like the dog though. The dogs are like hounds.
The Bumbus's dogs.
Yeah.
That
is so funny though. This shirt says Deck the Halls. And then it looks like Buddy. Yeah, it's a big picture of Buddy the Elf. I don't want to unfold it. But I like this one because it has like that vintagey look. You know, the screen print is faded. I would like to have this on a sweater. I like that. On a sweater.
Oh, he said, thanks, Mr. Narwhal. I had to watch it. He goes, bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad. Thanks, Mr. Narwhal.
Oh. And pajama bottoms are $5.
It's been forever since I've seen Elf.
I know.
Our kids watch it every Christmas time, and I'm like, I never get to sit down and watch it.
Magical. This one's a sweatshirt. I feel like this is good for maybe at home. The feel of it, the quality feels like somewhat of a felt stocking. And they do have pajama pants. They have the deer and tree. The little fox one and a few more sweatshirts over here. Only blue with the Christmas tree. And over here I'm spotting candy for stocking. So of course they have the Fruity Pebbles snowman. They had this one last year too. I've never tried it. Sour Patch. Oh look, they have coal this year. How funny. Big League Chew. You know what? This sells out really fast. Are these $1 here? I don't know. Little Nutella bottles. They have Tic Tacs, cinnamon and candy cane. Santa Claus bubble tape. Krabby Patty gummies, of course. $1. Peeps. I get little cast iron pan and mini cake in a mug. Reese's, Hershey's, and Kisses. Live, love, chocolate. Oh, these are cool. You get 23 on the inside. Oh look, they have holiday lights. So what I will say about the shapes, I feel like they taste a little different. Here's a dunk set. Hollow chocolate. Again, more Krabby Patties, but they have a Christmas tree one. Snowman. And colorful patties. And those are neat. You got Mickey and Minnie and Mario. Hot chocolate bomb. Ooh. You get milk chocolate, peppermint, and salted. Really? So those are new. Those are really, really cool. Hula hoops. I feel like that this might be it for Christmas. I don't see anything new in their toy area either. It's coming in slowly. We have the monogram stockings. Are these $2? They don't say. Normally they say on it. A FOMO? Huh. What's FOMO? Let me know. My husband wants to know. Why? Where'd you read that?
Look at this kid right here. He's going, the FOMO is real.
We need to get with the lingo.
Cool.
Here's a dog toy. I don't know what that is. Snowman? Shark?
Half the words our kids use. I'm like, shut up.
So these are gonna light up. Here we go. There we go. They also have a cloud one. It's kind of funny. Just found them in here randomly. Pop It spinners, like a burst. Oh, okay. These are still a thing, I guess. Slinkies, the large one. You want to have them have a pizza. Looks like maybe a lime, a unicorn. And these little mini stuff I feel like could be good for stocking stuffers too. I have catnip bubbles. I wonder if they really work. Here's some pies. They are squeakers. It's a crate mat. Not bad to have to keep on handy. What is this one? Self-warming crate pad. Oh really? Okay. Beanies and some scarves, and it looks like some sweatpants. $2 advent calendars, the child Candyland, that's kind of cool. LOL, Elf on the Shelf, and Marvel. More socks for $2, and gel clings are $2. Here's a little gingerbread kit, and you get frosting and little mini candies. And then all your candy canes. Sour Patch Hawaiian Punch. I still haven't tried it yet. Oh, they have Skittles. Dum Dum Airhead. Here's some gingerbread homes. Oreo. And the Hershey. Those are pretty cool. They have a cute little train too. Oh gosh, hot tamales. Alright you guys, I think that is gonna do it. There's nothing new in their makeup department or books department. It all is the same. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.